Today we're standing in front of one of the most versatile boats, sub 30 feet in the entire industry. My name is Brian McGlenn. Today we're going to give you a quick walkthrough of this 2025 Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. This boat is truly an overall great choice, whether you're looking to go offshore fishing, put a trolling motor on the bow, power pole on the back for your inshore fishing or sandbar days. This boat can truly do it all. A little bit of information, obviously, as you can see, this boat has the light blue hull sides powered with the twin 300 V8 Mercuries. We do have a pull-out ladder here on the starboard side, but one of my favorite features here along the port side is the optional swim patio. So this patio does fold down, creates a nice almost bar height area when you're in the water at the sandbar, put your drinks, your food, or just sit on it and hang out in the water. So great feature overall. We'll hop on board and go through this 280 Dauntless. So starting back here towards the transom area of the 280 Dauntless, as we talked about, a very versatile boat, so you can put power poles on the back. For your inshore fishing days, we do have a nice casting platform back here with a fold-up bench seat. Notice how this backrest is super high, so very, very comfortable to sit in. And then you do have a live well off to the port side. For a bay boat or a hybrid boat for that matter, we do have a nice freeboard, so it's over knee height. Creates a nice safe feeling when you're inside the boat. This boat has the upgraded leaning post with a small cooler and a sink. As we walk up to the helm, we have the upgraded leaning post, fold-down bolsters, armrest, creates a nice, comfortable area to sit. Ergonomically, everything is put together really, really well. We do have a upgraded Simrad 16-inch display, Mercury throttles, joystick with your skyhook and autopilot, JL audio controls, glove box. And as you look forward, a nicely integrated windshield with a powered vent in the center. We do have things like inductive charging up here on top of the console. So well-equipped helm here on the 280 Dauntless. As we go up to the bow, they did a phenomenal job just again creating a boat that is good for fishing but also great for cruising. So with your bow cushions installed, you have a great lounger to sit facing forward both on port and starboard side. But as you pull these cushions off, all of them are removable, storage underneath. When you remove these, you have a great casting platform. This is a filler package, so this table does simply pull out and remove, which gives you easy walking access up to your anchor locker and your bow ladder, which this boat is equipped with. In addition, we have a great lounger here in front of the bow, fold down armrests, and then the great part about it is you have a ton of storage underneath. It's nice to keep your storage area separate from where your head is. Again, this is the 2025 Boston Whaler 280 Dauntless. I'm Brian McGlenn with MarineMax. Feel free to give us a call at 561-635-6811. Thanks for watching.